Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best gardening gloves that are available on the market for their true quality. My personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the unisex leather gardening gloves. What most people don't know is that gardening can be a family activity. Often underrated, it can be quite fun actually. Gardening will also let you and your loved ones have time to bond, catch up and make you more attentive to the environment. When I was a kid, my mom and I used to take time to tend to our kitchen garden, and I got to learn new things every time. If you are thinking about turning it into a family affair, these are the right gloves for you. They can be used by both males and females and offer extra protection in the most sensitive areas. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Terra Collection Professional Rose Gardening Gloves. The reason why I have this set of these best gardening gloves is that they look like the ones my mother had when I was a kid. I guess you could say that they bring back memories for me. I prefer using them when I am tending to my roses. This is because the gloves are puncture resistant and have elbow-length gauntlet cuffs. The cuffs prevent your forearm from being scratched or cut. They also have a knuckle guard who will provide you with added protection. They are tough yet comfortable, thanks to the form-fitting spandex used in their construction. Tend to your roses while being fully armored and without any paranoia of injuring yourself. At number 3, we have the long leather gardening gloves. These types of gardening gloves are best suited for those individuals who like to take that extra precautionary step in whatever they engage in. I bought them for my sister because she was scared of gardening. It was funny, but I had to make her join me for her to see that there was nothing to worry about. The No Cry have twice the puncture resistance compared to others. They are reinforced and have been made with natural goatskin leather, which has been double layered. I had to be keen on making sure that her first experience went off without a hitch, and these gardening gloves were just what I needed. At number 2, we have the leather gardening gloves. If you are asking for the top best gardening gloves, I would surely recommend these. I liked these because I feel like they saved me from a lot of hurts. This happened sometime back when we had gone camping, and I almost got into trouble with some poison ivy. My pal used these leather gardening gloves by Fir Tree to help me out. The gardening gloves can also be used to handle pruning berries, citrus picking, and cactuses. And finally, at number 1, we have the unisex rose pruning gloves. My mother-in-law sent me for a pair of these items. She refused to use any other type, so I got curious. The reason was that her skin is very sensitive. They have lanolin, which gives them a soft buttery texture and moisturizes hands at the same time. She further added on that since she has arthritis, they help her have a better grip on her gardening tools because the gloves are ergonomic as well. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.